The goals you set in your paid social media strategy, such as building brand awareness or gaining more followers, will help guide your budget. Once you know what you want to achieve, you can figure out what funding you need to help you get there. When you're new to digital marketing, you may not be the one making decisions about the funding devoted to your social media budget. Still, it's good to get a sense of which components are generally included in a budget for paid social media. This can help you consider how to best allocate resources when working on your campaigns. The social media ad budget for different companies will vary. In general, though, companies' paid social budgets are determined by their annual revenue. According to a survey conducted by Gartner, businesses on average spend around 10 to 13% of their annual revenue on marketing, and about 25% of the budget goes to paid media like search and social media. Your company may invest more or less on social media depending on your past return on investment from social media and other marketing channels. Let's talk about what paid social media budget generally includes. First, there's your ad spend. Your ad spend is how much your company spends directly on advertisements. It's what you pay on social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn to serve your ads. It also includes what you pay to influencers to promote your content. However, your ad spend is only part of your entire paid social media budget. There's also the expense associated with tools and technologies you'll need to launch, manage, and optimize your social media advertising campaign. Tools you might invest in include social media management software, social listening and analytics software, photo and video editing programs, stock photography and video subscriptions, and influencer marketing platforms. An influencer marketing platform is software that provides influencer discovery tools such as large searchable databases of potential influencers. It's helpful to experiment with free tools before investing in paid ones. Even if you don't plan to spend money on tools, it's a good idea to set aside some of your budget for unexpected costs. When considering your company's paid social media costs, you'll also need to think about how you'll create content. Even if you're handling some of the content development internally, you may still need to pay for things like photography, graphic design, video development, including talent and production costs, and copywriting. Next, there's a cost of management. Management tasks include things like strategy, content planning and publishing, social listening, engagement, and analytics and reporting. In some cases, a company may partner with a digital marketing agency to help manage these types of tasks. Keep in mind, even if many of these tasks are completed by your internal team, there may still be associated costs that apply to your social advertising budget. Paid social media budgets generally include not just ad spend, but also the cost of tools, content creation, and any management-related expenses. When you understand what needs to be accounted for in a paid social media budget, you can make decisions that will allow you to stretch that budget further. Coming up, we'll talk about how bidding on social media ads work.